Ever wondered why protein is so critical to muscle building and performance? It's simple. Protein supplies the amino acids your body needs to repair and rebuild muscle tissue after a strenuous workout. In essence, protein is the building block of muscle. But how can you incorporate this vital nutrient into your diet with ease and variety? Today, we'll walk through 5 easy and quick recipes packed with protein to help you achieve your fitness goals. First up, we have the classic morning kickstarter, the protein-packed smoothie. Combine a scoop of your favorite protein powder, a cup of Greek yogurt, a handful of mixed berries, a banana, and a splash of almond milk into a blender. Blend until smooth, and there you have it. This smoothie is not only delicious, but also packed with a powerful protein punch to start your day right. Next, let's move on to lunch with a simple yet nutritious quinoa and black bean salad. Begin by cooking a cup of quinoa as per the instructions on the packet. In a separate bowl, mix together a can of black beans, a chopped bell pepper, a handful of cherry tomatoes, and a diced avocado. Add the cooked quinoa to the mixture, drizzle with olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. This salad is a great source of both protein and fiber, keeping you satiated throughout the day. For an afternoon snack, consider whipping up some protein energy balls. Mix 2 cups of oats, a cup of peanut butter, half a cup of honey, and a scoop of protein powder in a bowl until well combined. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls and refrigerate for at least an hour. These protein balls make for a quick, portable snack that you can carry to the gym or office. Our dinner recipe is a hearty chicken stir-fry. Start by sautéing diced chicken breast in a pan with a little bit of olive oil. Once cooked, add a mix of your favorite vegetables. Think bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas. Stir in some soy sauce and a sprinkle of sesame seeds for extra flavor. This dish is a delicious way to get your protein fix while also packing in some veggies. Finally, for a late-night snack, opt for Greek yogurt topped with a handful of almonds. This combination provides a dose of both protein and healthy fats to keep your muscles fed while you sleep. In summary, incorporating protein into your diet doesn't have to be a chore. With the right recipes and a bit of creativity, you can fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to build muscle and perform at its best. Remember, it's not just about the quantity of protein, but also the quality and timing. Consuming a variety of protein sources throughout the day can help ensure you're getting all the essential amino acids your body needs. So, give these recipes a try and watch as they power up your fitness journey.